going to move on to our next step. You have written your content objective. This is really important to step 3. What do you want your students to learn on this first read? All right. And so you prepared your learner for the read, and now we're going to interact with text through questioning and writing tasks. So step 3, read the text to determine how to have students interact with the text. So as you look at this text, I want you to think about the structures that are in this text. That means, is it compare, contrast? Is it cause and effect? And you're going to notice that there are going to be certain particular signal words that help you recognize the structure. So as they're reading, you might want to throw in some questions to help them understand the purpose of this text through its structure. You're also going to want to notice the language in the text, not just the words, but the sentences and certain phrases that might not be understood by the students. And so you will be asking them questions about the content and language. So, your task: how will students understand the purpose of the text? Through structure, sentence, phrase, and word level. What questions and tasks will the teacher use to help students access this text? How will the students engage with this text rather than just sitting back and having the teacher read it? How can the students write about it, highlight it, annotate it? So you'll be looking at the interacting with text section that has some strategies in the back of the appendix, beginning on page 141. To give you some ideas, here they are. Great ideas. There's lots of text-dependent questions, how to chunk and read, how to map it with thinking maps. Maybe, again, you'll use the double entry journal for upper grades. If you're lower grades, you might have the text up, and you do the journaling with the students by drawing pictures and interacting with the text. That's a great strategy for kindergarten and first grade, showing your thinking, sharing the thinking. And so you may review these pages of some ways to question, or you can use some of your own ideas. So you will do this now, writing questions and creating a lesson for that first read.